Hello bro. Hello. Can you please show me how to add any song or audio with echo reverb effect in Premiere Pro? Sure, that's very easy peasy. I'll not only show you how you can create the echo reverb effect in Premiere Pro, but I would also provide you a free template which you can download from the link in the description section below. And with this template, you can easily create the echo reverb effect on any audio very easily in no time. And before we go any further, can you do me a little favor by liking this video? Sure, I can do this much for you. And you also please hit the like button, and if you have not subscribed, subscribe to this channel. Thank you so much. So without further ado, let's get started.
Alright, so first of all you have to decide where you want to apply the echo reverb effect on your audio. So in this case I want to apply right over here where she says ooh. So let's hear it out. Okay, I'll just go over here and I'm gonna make a cut right over here and I'll drag this down on the second audio track. Now we'll go to the audio track mixer, and this is the audio track mixer, and if you don't see it over here, just go to the Windows and select the audio track mixer and you will find all of your sequence or project. So just select which one on which you want. So I'll just select this one, and over here you can see this audio is on the second track, so we'll apply this on the entire track. So for that purpose we need to come over here on the second audio track 2, and over here just click on this little arrow to see the effects rack and click over here, and then come over here on the reverb and select the studio reverb, and thereafter just double click on this and then it would open up this dialog box. So now over here we need to increase the decay, so let's make it 10,000 and increase the wet a little bit. So let's go for something like this, 89 or 70, something like that, and then let's hear it out. Now you must be hearing this echo reverb, but now the problem with this that this abruptly ends over here. Alright, we want it to extend a little bit further. So for that purpose we'll duplicate this audio. So we'll press Alt or Option and drag it up over here, and we will just mute it. We can drag this view line and drag it down, or you can right click and select the disable this as well. In that case it won't be heard. Now let's hear it out once again. Okay, so this is how you can apply this effect very easily. But now let me give you my template and let me show you how you can use that template to easily create this effect without applying it on a particular track. So suppose you have some other audios over here on the audio track 1, so suppose this one. So in that case what it's going to do, it's going to apply this on every clip which is on the second track, which we don't want. So suppose, let me show you, let me mute it and show you. So this entire track or whatever files are available or audio is available on the second track, that would completely be echoey, so which we don't want. Alright, so for that purpose I have created a simple template using which you can apply it only on a particular part where you want to apply this effect, and you don't have to go through applying this effect, changing its settings and all that. So now let me show you. Alright, so after downloading my echo reverb effect, the download link is in the description section. You will get a zip file something like this. So you need to extract it, and thereafter you will find these 3 files inside it. So one is important, so you must read about this and license everything, and this is the project which you need to open. Alright, so let me just open this up. So just open it up, and now this project would be open something like this, and it has all of these. So you need to come over here on this reverb echo template and now open the project where you want to apply it. So in this case this one, so let me just start it over here. Right, and for that purpose the very important thing which you need to do, you need to click on this sequence. So make sure this is not grayed out. Alright, so just make sure this is checked and then drag and drop this reverb echo template right over here on the end of your sequence where you want to apply this effect, and then select the audio where you want to apply it. So let me just disable the constant fade in this case because I don't want that, and select the part where you want to apply the echo reverb effect. So let's play it out. Okay, so I'll just want it right over here, so I'll make a cut right over here. Select this one, press Ctrl X, Command X, and then just drag and this bring it over here, and make sure you move your main track above, main video right above this, and then just open it, double click it, and inside it you will find this option over here. So one is for the audio, so if you have the dialogue audio, just place that inside it, just open it and place it right over here. But we don't have that one because we want to apply this on the background music. So if you have the background music, just double click it, open it, that would be opened in a new tab, and press Ctrl V, Command V because we have already copied that, and then go back right over here. And now we need to delete this top video because we no longer need it. So we'll press Alt or Option and click, and we'll select the video only, and then we'll press delete. Right, and now let's hear it out. Alright, so isn't that easy? You don't have to do much, and it's very easy and simple to apply the reverb echo effect on any clip very easily with this template. So once again, you can download this from the link in the description section below. If you have any question or if you want to say something, leave that in the comment section below. And if you have not subscribed to this channel, please consider subscribing for more amazing tips, tricks and tutorials. So thank you so much. Bye bye. See you in the next video. Till then, keep shooting and unleash the creative in you. Bye bye.